In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Elementor. Elementor is a powerful tool that allows you to build stunning web pages with ease, and adding a table can help organize your content effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Elementor page editor where you want to add your table. If you're new to Elementor, it's a good idea to explore the editor first and get comfortable with the layout and various functionalities available. This will make the process of adding elements like tables quicker and more intuitive. Now, once you have the editor open, you'll notice a panel on the left side with various widgets that you can drag and drop onto your page. Although Elementor doesn't have a default table widget, don't worry. You can still add a table using the available tools and a bit of creativity. One common method is to use the shortcode widget. This widget allows you to embed a table built with another plugin or with HTML code. However, if you prefer a more straightforward method without using extra plugins, you can recreate a table layout using the intersection widget. Start by dragging the intersection widget onto your canvas area from the widget panel. This feature will enable you to break a section into columns, and you can add as many as you need for your table. Once your columns are in place, you can add text widgets to each column to represent the data cells within your table. Simply drag a text editor widget into each column, and then input the data into the text area. To ensure your table looks neat and organized, consider using the styling features in Elementor. You can adjust the font size, style, color, and alignment to match your website's design theme. Plus, you can play with column widths by dragging the edges to make sure each piece of information is displayed clearly. For those who want even more customization, Elementor Pro provides advanced features such as custom CSS, which can further enhance how your table appears. You can write CSS to style your table with borders, backgrounds, and spacing to match your exact needs. Finally, once you have added all your data and are satisfied with the styling, don't forget to preview your page. This step is crucial to ensure everything looks perfect across different devices. Elementor offers responsive editing, so make sure your table is user-friendly both on desktop and mobile views. And there you have it, your new table is all set up in Elementor. With this knowledge, you can now effectively manage and display information on your website. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!